Philippine Army up by a point, 8-7. Let me turn you over to Anne with another courtside report.
Thanks, Ian. Just a quick update on the Maynilad Water Dragons. Although they lost the first set to the Philippine Army, Coach BJ told them that they need to remain spirited while inside the court. They also showed good defense, and their blocking definitely challenged the offense of the Philippine Army, and so he wants them to continue doing this. And at the same time also, they need to minimize the errors that they've committed in the first set. Now, for the Philippine Army, there were just very few reminders as well, and this may have been a result of Maynilad's effective blocking in the first set. Now, Coach Rico is looking for a better attack coverage from his team, and aside from this, he also pointed out the need for better and more consistent service reception. And lastly, he told them na wag nilang pabayaang dumikit ang score ng kalaban. Ian and Mozzie?
Alright, thanks, Anne.
So far, it's even Steven here in the second set. Tina Salak on the attack.
Torres has been all over the place. She looks surprised why nobody from her teammates got that.
Last pa nun eh.
Yeah, nagtataka siya nung pagka... pinagod nyo na ako lahat, hindi nyo pala ko.
Coach ni Danny, part ng coach staff ni Danny, yan ang anak ko.
Si Torres? Si She. Yeah, I talked to her before. Isn't she from the Air Force? Before? Wasn't she from the Air Force? Army na ba talaga? But definitely one of those defenders that you can really rely on.
And yung alam mo yung heart na yung fighter at heart, hindi magpapatalo ng ganun lang. Daki, of course, another player with a big heart, that she scores one. The Philippine Army and got them into the lead again.
Rachel just pouring it on here.
Oh, and poor read there by Mervic Maggie, last minute decision to scratch that ball.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Mr. Willie Ortiz of Axel.
Rachel dumps it. Again, getting the point.
Easy point coming from Rachel Daki.
All right, let's look at the previous play. Rachel getting that point via a drop shot. As Artates not able to get to the ball on time. Solid. That was a wall in front of Artates.
Great wall of Army. Kasi triple block. As you'll see it once again.
Oh, that was Mangi.
Combination play na eh, diba? But just too much. No? Ano wala space for the ball to go over. A free ball now again. Let's see.
Oh, nice.
Capranca was there to read that.
Mangi gets blocked again. They go to Artates. Oh, nice back row hit. Bunag was there.
Oh, and Rachel and is starting to wax hot.
I know, yeah.
In second set.
Taas ng percentage
Nabitin
na.
kanina eh.
Oh, taas ng percentage na dito sa set na to, no? Down the line naman from Rachel, showing us a variety of ways to get points. Just like, giving us a clinic on how to score.
But this time, Mervic Maggie, with the help of the net, stops the bleeding. Our dig department, of course, yung ating mga specialist. Torres with 5 excellent dig. De La Peña with only 1. But on the reception, Torres having 4, De La Peña with 3. Rescue!
Nauna na si Dalia eh.
Yes, nauna na si Dalia bago pa man na
tapos, yung set pa ni Tina, medyo
malayo sa net.
Malayo, tsaka yung mabagal, yung mabilis na tapon. So, hindi talaga magpapangabot.
Sibat.
Sibat. Yun, sibat sa net. From Mervic Mangi. Second service error. Remember, the first one was very, very crucial in that first set. And greetings to Mr. Ariel, or nice set there.
Oh, and poor read on the second ball. Well, actually, it was a very low ball.
Hindi naabutan na.
Wasn't able to, Tina Salak wasn't able to salvage that second ball. So again, itong Army, even sabi nga ni Coach na gusto na nila mag-pull away sana, not to keep the
Hindi.
enemies close, hindi maka-pull away. Maynila just hanging in there.
There you go. Carolino.
Yet Carolino scores 1.
And it is 16-12. The Philippine Army up by 4. We'll be right back.